Hey guys, this is Nathan again, and so what I want to do in this video is just give you another practical example of how to apply your Forex trading system. In this case, we're talking about trade management, and again, the most important thing about your trade management plan is just that it is a plan, that you have everything planned out ahead of time so that you're not making, emotional decisions during a trade. You're not thinking, oh no, it's hitting resistance that I didn't plan for, what do I do now? Or it went against me, should I add to it? Or it's really going well, should I add to it? You want to have the plan set ahead of time so that there's no guesswork when a live trade is open. Alright, so I'm going to use the same example, the euro odd here, and assume that we make a short based on this trend line break and continuation of the long-term downtrend that we mentioned before. So I'm going to assume that this bar goes a little lower, closes here, and this is where we make our entry. And so one of the trade management things that you might consider is adding to a winning position, which I think can definitely be a profitable element to a trading system if you use it correctly and have a good plan. Okay, so this black line is our entry. We're going to say that this here is our final target. This blue area down here is our final target. And so to add to a trade that has profit, you need to have this planned out ahead of time. And so an example of this might be that you're looking for a continuation and a break of this long-term downtrend. We have this long-term trend could act as support as price move down. So let's say that price is moving down, going towards your target nicely, and eventually it breaks through this level. And so your plan is, okay, if price breaks through this level, I'm going to move my stop on this trade up to break even and add an additional trade here because now I have a lot of increased probability that this trade is going to hit my final target. And I might as well add some extra profit potential on the trade because I already have my risk locked in up here and I already have a good amount of profit added up on the trade. So I might as well try to go ahead and increase that because the probability that the trade is going to get to my final profit target just increased by the fact that it broke through this major trend line. Okay, so that would be an example of a trade management rule or plan that you have in place ahead of time, and you know exactly what you're going to do, when you're going to do it, and how you're going to do it before the trade even develops. Okay, so in this case, it would be adding to a trade once you already have some profitability set up. And I think again that along with a lot of other different trade management ideas that I listed above can be very beneficial to you, but you must plan them ahead of time.